case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A pivotal legal dispute revolved around the tragic aftermath of a 1971 car accident initiated by a tire blowout on a vehicle rented from the Hertz Corporation. The tire, the culprit of horrific consequence, was manufactured by Firestone Tire Rubber Company. The car had been leased by a nun who was accompanied by passenger Catherine Lavon, another nun who tragically succumbed to fatal injuries sustained from the crash. Despite the heart-rending outcomes, a jury acquitted Firestone, focusing the spotlight squarely on Hertz. The apex of the legal battle thus occurred when the trial court directed a verdict in favor of Hertz, sparking an appeal. At the center of the maelstrom stood a contention raised by the plaintiffs, who argued that Hertz bore liability, based on the grounds of express warranty or strict tort, a legal obligation that doesn't rest on negligence, liability. They reasoned that the veracity of an express warranty was innately embedded in the rental agreement, bolstered by a statement from a Hertz representative who affirmed the car's tire's integrity. Despite this argued interpretation, the court deemed the necessity for determining an express warranty in the context of the rental agreement inessential. Instead, focus was shifted onto evincing the parameters of express warranties and their pertinence to the case. In a watershed moment, the court reconsecrated the verdict in favor of Hertz, citing a lack of evidence to prove negligence on the part of the corporation. The conclusion also leaned on legislative interpretation. Indeed, the court asserted, expanding a seller's liability from negligence to strict liability, under the legal stipulations of Section 402A, was a veritable legislative responsibility, not a purview of the court. This unanimous verdict was echoed in agreement by Judges Hendley and Cowan.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.